Hi everybody, welcome back. It's October, fall season. Means we got leaves. So we could get rid of these the traditional way with the leaf blower, or a better, lazier option, use the bagger on our ride-on mower. Now the grass is going into dormancy, so this isn't so much about cutting the grass. So I got it set pretty high. It's more about collecting the leaves and getting rid of them. So we also have two options when doing this. The better option, which is just mowing in forward, or we could turn on our reverse mowing and go back and forth without having to make some circles. And I'll show you the results of both. It's a little bit better just collecting the leaves going forward. When you try to collect them going in reverse, it leaves some leaves behind. So, let's go. That leaves us with a nice clean line. I'll show you how it looks if we try to collect the leaves going in reverse. Results aren't as great. We're left with some debris behind. Go side by side, go forward again. And you can see the difference if we do the collection going only in forward versus if we try going in reverse. A lot of leaves left behind. And the great thing about doing this with our bagger, just open it up. All leaves are collected, and we can dispose of them. Thanks again. Take care.